How to fix payment failed or checkout errors on TEMU. Let's get started. First, launch your TEMU app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the U page. Now head over to the settings option given at the top right. Now click on the option Your Payment Methods. Make sure your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address are correct. Even a small typo can cause payment failure. Next up, try a different payment method. If your current card is not working, switch to a different credit or debit card. Try PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Temu Credit Balance if available. Some users report success using PayPal when card fails. Next up, check your internet connection. For that, launch settings. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router, and then rejoin it. You can also switch between network, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes, and then disable it. Next up, turn off VPN, proxy, or ad blockers. Likewise, update or reinstall TEMU app. Press and hold on the TEMU app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Now navigate to Play Store or App Store, then search for the app TEMU. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it or download the TEMU app. Next up, if none of these solutions work, contact TEMU support team. Launch your TEMU app, then you can navigate to the U page, then click on this headphone kind of icon given at the top right. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option Contact Us. From here, you can easily contact to TEMU customer service team. You can have the conversation. With that, your problem might be resolved. And that's it. These are some fixes for payment failed or checkout errors on TEMU. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.